Good morning, everybody. Today is part 2. Last night, from the other video, you guys seen that we came out for the last, like, I don't know, 3-4 hours of daylight. Did some smallmouth fishing, finally got on them for a juicy little bite, and then it kind of tapered off. So today, we got a full day ahead of us of trying to get on some giant smallmouth. Yesterday, we landed a mid-3 and then a mid-4. So big hopes for today, big hopes. But today, we're just gonna hop back to that bay where we were catching them yesterday, see if we can get on a bite there, and then pop around and check some different areas. It seems like they're pushed up into these bays, looking for that warmer water to spawn. So that's basically what we're gonna be looking for today on the big water, so stay tuned. Spot numero uno. Put this trolling motor down. Rock the old tube. See if we can't catch one this morning. It's a nice morning though. Yeah. Sheesh. Yep. Here it comes. There he is. There we go. Yes. Finally, dude, he smoked it. What a toad. Oh. It's a better, decent one, not as big as yesterday, but oh, finally. The live well running. There we go. As big as yesterday, but still a decent fish. He's probably got to be what, 2.5. Finally. Yes. Beautiful. We're gonna weigh him though. Let's check him. 212. 212. A 2-pounder. Dang. Off the old tube. Got one? Oh yeah. It's a good one. It's a really good one. Ooh, Bessie. Fighting good.
I'll try and bring him over. Extend that handle.
Here, got it. There we go. It's a good one, like a really good one. I know, I think she's 3.5.
3.9.
3.9. Sheesh. Another good one.
With a belly on that thing.
Yeah, she's a big one. Hooked up again. Oh, they're big.
Not big.
Dang.
Here we go.
Another one. Those guys just doubled up over there too.
Right there.
Yeah. Another one. Dang it now. Well, they were, but.
Oh, they're still around.
Oh, yeah, they're in here somewhere just lurking. I just got nipped. Pretty sure I just got nipped in there. Like a quick one, it's like pop. Spot lock should bring us back. There we go.
Good one.
I don't know yet.
Don't horse him. Don't horse him. That's a good one. Just let him fight. Let him fight. Let him fight. Let the drag do its work.
It's so weird on the reeling this way. There we go. Finally.
Bigger.
That hair jig, man. I'll take it though. And whoops. It's weird reeling the opposite way, I'll tell you that. But there we go. Finally. And maybe we could toss this guy back, but
Yeah, you can put him in live well too.
just a little guy.
Weigh them all. What else we got to do?
Nothing. Whew. Sorry if that looked really weird, guys. Definitely not used to reeling on the left there. But I got nipped and then he nailed it that time. He's probably a pound and a half.
Yeah.
Let's see what this guy is.
2 pounds on the head.
Oh, 2 pounds. 2 pounder. He'd keep. He's kind of a chunky one.
He ain't feeding up as well as the other ones.
Well, I'm going to toss back in there real quick and see. Because they were schooled up in this little spot, so. I mean, I was barely reeling too. Just watching the rod tip. Another one. Hooked up, dang. Never mind. Caught me a stick. Hell yeah. Oh, my shoulder blades are sore. That's 2 against what? How many you got?
Yeah, 3 in the box.
3. Oh, shit. There's another one. He might be, yeah.
Don't horse him, just let the drag do its work.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. There we go. There's a school down there. Not crazy, crazy big, but oh shit. Ah, damn it.
That hook is so small.
Right? Another one. Oh, here. They're fired up now. Look at that guy. Well, he's probably another same size.
Yeah, probably is.
Let's weigh him and find out. Yes. Cast that in there again.
Yep.
I wonder how many we could pull out of it. Ooh, he's red on the lips. What he weighs now?
2-2.
2-2, he's a little bigger. Alright guys, so we're just going to release the fish. We thought the camera was recording a second ago, so we did put one back. We had 6 in the live well. I released a couple already. We thought it was recording, wasn't, but needless to say, whatever. But we're going to release these guys back into the water here. We're in some pretty clear water so you guys can see them go. Right here. Here's the first one. I don't know if this is one that I caught, but nice markings on them.
Yeah, that's one you caught, Brennan.
Is it?
Yep.
Back into the water he goes. It's ready to go. Back to the bottom just like the other ones.
That is so cool.
It is. Alright, here we go. Now for the biggins. I don't know which one's which, but look at that beauty. Markings on her. Just a fatty. Just a beaut. Another one. Another big toad. They're definitely chunked up. Definitely chunked up. Good smallmouth though. They really have some nice markings on them. Alright, and then the last one, another smaller one, but still a really nice fish. Really nice, cool markings on them. Yeah, these are marked really nice though.
Yeah.
Back he goes. Alright guys, so there we just released the fish. This is going to conclude day 2 up here, part 2 of the video series. We might come out in the morning before we leave. We're not just sure just yet. We might stop at one spot on the way back, maybe. We'll see. We're pretty worn down. We've been out here all day. Yesterday, as you guys seen from that video, I only caught one yesterday, but it was a good 4.5 pound smallie. So nice big girl, and we caught some pretty fat, good chunks today and whatnot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really loved getting on some smallmouth out here. We're definitely gonna have to come back and try to stay out here a little longer. But tomorrow morning we might be out, not sure yet. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, keep fishing hard.